party begins sharply at 9 a.m. It's not very busy down there, though. That is the pool. You want to see the full tour of the hotel, check down in the show notes. Well, we're just packing up the room, getting ready to head to LA. At least it's a shorter travel day. Normally these are very, very long travel days. One last look at our room, a little bit backlit because it's morning. Well, there we are. Heading down to the valet. So it's kind of like the other places. We got to go request the luggage, then request the car, and then wait for it. But we'll get all this fun stuff done.
And then maybe we'll go get some breakfast on our way out of town.
Selections at Cafe Americano for our breakfast. One last day in front of the Paris. I'll check out those. Oh, it's a 4-person one of those things. That's... I wonder how they ride. We're out in front of the Paris, waiting for our car. Hopefully this time it'll be sooner than yesterday. Well, I should say the first day. Macy's sipping on her coffee.
Honestly, it's the best coffee I've found down here.
Yeah, she really likes the coffee at Cafe Americano.
Cafe Americano.
Our view as we head out, there's the great Bellagio.
Turn right onto South Las Vegas Boulevard.
Really love staying at the Bellagio. The Paris was nice. And we'll talk about it a little more probably on our trip over to LA. It was nice. I don't think it was as good as the Bellagio, though.
Every casino's been ruined for me.
Heading into the Blueberry Hills
Turn
restaurant.
Right, then arrive at your destination.
Made it inside. It's a really nice diner. It's open 24 hours. We typically eat here very late at night, though, so this is not a usual thing to come here in the mornings.
Yeah, we would usually hit this place up after I got done working.
Yeah.
It'd be like 3, 4 in the morning. We'd just be hanging out.
It was in our Las Vegas late night eats playlist.
Yeah. We hit up a lot of places that are open 24 hours, so if you're curious,
check down those show notes for that playlist. All of them are still open, I think.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
I think the only place that's not still the same would be Fire Rock, but we never really went there in the middle of the night. But it was open 24. It used to be open 24 hours. I
got the fried chicken. Got some pancakes. Macy got an omelet and the hash browns and that. Then we got some grits coming too. This looks good. I used to drive a Cavalier back in the day. It's almost the same color too, if the paint wasn't really faded. That is what it was. How did you enjoy your Blueberry Hill?
I loved it. It was tasty. I will say though, the omelet is not
turn left onto East Flamingo
as
Road.
Fluffy as the omelet that I would get from Waffle House.
In 2.8 miles,
it's still very
turn left
good
to merge onto I-15 South.
Yeah, they still make everything in-house there. It's honestly a short jump from the Strip if you want to go eat there. That one's open 24 hours. I like Blueberry Hill.
Mm-hmm. If you go to some of the other ones, they definitely have a bit more religious stuff in their restaurant, I guess you could say. Like the one that's kind of a little bit more in town is interesting.
Yeah, because they have a Bible shop and stuff. But it's not there at the one by the Strip.
Good food.
One last look at the Vegas area as we head out. Just past the 7 Magic Mountains, which is right outside of Las Vegas. There's what we're looking at. That's most of our drive.
Taking down 7 Magic Mountains.
Oh yeah, that's the rumor, huh? Where'd you hear said rumor?
The Vegas TikTokers. I don't know if I believe them, but they've also been saying that, I think, for a while. I believe we heard that same thing when we first moved here.
It's fun to look at if you want to take a drive out there, but don't expect to spend too much time out there. It's beautiful. It's just there's not much else out there.
Yep.
There's the solar fields. If you're ever flying over Vegas, you see those things. Basically, they're just a bunch of mirrors that project the heat and light to the main mirror, and they use that to create energy. It's fascinating to see. And it is warmer around them. You can actually see it on your temperature gauge of the car. It'll go up as you get closer to them. There it is. It's pretty cool. One of those things we haven't seen very often, but there are a few of those here. And the rest of it's just open road. You got the road to the mountains.
It's the weirdest area because you have to go through what's like a friggin' security checkpoint.
Yeah.
Like if you were crossing into like another country, it feels like.
It is strange.
But it's mostly for big trucks.
Someone with a 740 area code sent a long message.
Heading through the inspection. It's the agricultural inspection. And there's no one in the booth ever, but some of the lanes are closed for some reason.
It's one of those things I think they have it there for when they want to stop people.
Stephanie.
Driving for about 2 hours. You can see Eddie's World in the distance coming up. I'm gonna make a quick stop. Calico Road. Made it to Eddie's World. Got some Eddie's World merch. If you've never seen it, it's really big. They got like popcorn over here, beverage area, got tons of candies and stuff. And then they have a dried meats over there, and they have like a whole like restaurant in the back too. There's Macy. Macy munching on her chicken tendies. Did you get a biscuit too?
I don't know.
I don't see a biscuit, and this is like a sweet biscuit, weirdly.
Last time I feel like they gave us a biscuit.
Yeah, I'm thinking you're supposed to get a biscuit.
Maybe they've already changed it
Yeah, maybe. Tariffs, y'all. Tariffs.
on food that we make in this country.
We also, you're back in California because the bag that we got to carry the stuff out cost us 10 cents. But the paper bag with the food is free. So ask yourself these questions if you'd like.
Right?
Is California?
California.
There's Eddie's World. It's a cool little place. And definitely great for roadside snacks in bulk. I feel like if you want better drink selection though, Alien Jerky is a better place to get drinks. But here, it's got a lot more snacks.
And it was like weird in terms of like what they had stock wise. Like clearly we're in between trucks.
Yeah, it is kind of strange in there. They're a little out today. They're not normally out. Made it to the hotel room. This is definitely one of our least favorite hotel rooms that we stay in. A little sneak peek. If you want to see the full room tour, check down in the show notes. We've done a few at this point. That's what we got. Now we're trying to figure out dinner. We made it to the Mexican restaurant for dinner. This is definitely a Western staple, I guess. West Coast staple. Bean dip. It is so good on the chips, y'all. It's a nice little compliment to the salsa. I really like it. It's good. We got the tableside guac. They didn't make it at our table, which is a little strange, I've got to be honest, because it's tableside guac. And it's chunkier. It's good though. I like the taste of it. Let us know, are you guys more of a creamy guac people or you chunky guac? Because this is the first time we've had chunky guac in a while. You like it though?
I love it. This is good.
Well, that concludes our trip to Santa Clarita.
Yeah, it was an uneventful drive. We did get to go stop at one of our favorite breakfast spots in Las Vegas. So if you're looking for a good breakfast spot, you have to check out Blueberry Hill. We've been there dozens of times. We have several videos, so definitely check those out. But it is our recommendation for breakfast.
Yeah, then we had the trip. We stopped at Eddie's World, one of our favorite stops. Again, if you're looking for snacks, I think Eddie's World is the place. If you're going for the drinks and stuff, stop in Baker at Alien. The drinks, I think, are better at the Alien.
Now, they do have bangin' chicken tenders, but that's pretty much it.
And they have a pizza, too, we haven't tried that looks decent. And then we headed to Santa Clarita. The Mexican food was good. The apps were really great, but the main courses were kind of disappointing. That's why we didn't show them on camera. They were just kind of an okay place to get to grab some food, but not some place we go out of our way for.
It was across the street from the hotel, but it definitely wasn't Juan's Flaming Fajitas, so.
So if you made it this far in the video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get y'all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.